What's up everybody, this is June Solomon. I just got my first package from It Works. I'm super excited to get this thing open and see what I got. This is what the package looks like straight off hand if you ever decide to order. There are links below in the description for your convenience. Now it's time for me to open this bad boy with my samurai sword. Imagine if I was one.
A few minutes later.
Anyways, let's see what we got. We have a jar of greens blend orange flavor. There is a scoop that is inside the jar and the instruction says 2 scoops to every 8 ounces of water or juice. Next item we have is the advanced formula fat fighter. It comes in a cool looking bottle. Nice. You're supposed to take one of these within 1 hour of your biggest meal of the day. The next item in the box is the ultimate body applicator. This package looks kind of small but holds 4 applicators. For us first time users, we're supposed to use it for 45 minutes long. Shake it, mix it, cook with it. No matter how you use it, we know you're gonna love Ultimate Pro Fit. It Works also provides a scoop inside the bag. You need 1 scoop every day to an 8-ounce glass of water. The last item in the box is our body contouring defining gel. It's supposed to help firm problem areas like your abs, your legs, and your arms while improving skin texture. That is all we have in the box. I hope you all like this video and follow me as I post more of my journey with hopefully positive results. Thank you, God bless, catch you all later in my next video. Pastelelia and peace out, buddy.